Hello and welcome to the Birdman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show as San Miguel taking on Alaska in game number 5 of the best of 7 final series of the PBA Philippine Cup. Aces still leading 3-1 over San Miguel Beermen in this series. It is kick-off on 7 p.m. tomorrow night at the Smart Aranada Coliseum. San Miguel Beermen needs to win 2 more games to get a final showdown at Moa Arena on February 3. That's Wednesday. And for that, the good news is Junmar Fajardo will play in a limit of minutes by shooting its lightness of active position. So he can score very little bit according to Coach Leo Austria and the staff of the San Miguel Beermen. Rancido Ocampo should not prevail its aces out trenches because the Ocampo should play more to improve his physical defense, and he can shoot, he can score around, and he can rebound if they miss one opponent or a teammate if they say so. Chris Ross should play in the starting 5 as well in the next 2 games possibly, because Chris Ross should active in his guard, so he can pass, he can assist probably, or even he can shoot 3 possibly. And then meanwhile, Alex Cabagnot, Arvin Santos, and the rest of the team should play again in another day after they won it last Sunday at the Phil Sports. So could San Miguel Beermen level this game until game 6 if they made it in the Miracle? Possibly yes, because they can show up in the latter part of the games, so we can need their miracle. So Coach Leia should pursue its winning series. San Miguel should win in game number 5. San Miguel needs to win more to force game 7. And lastly, Marshall Lassiter does not seems to be, possibly he's not on lack on discipline while he's playing in the as a substitution, so he can play more and he could possibly replace either Cabagnot, either Tubid or Lats possibly in the starting 5. So my choice will be, it is decision by the SMBT. Starting 5 for me will be Cabagnot Santos, Lassiter, Tubid, and De Ocampo on game number 5. My predictions will be SMB will win again. If they need to force an overtime, either double overtime, it could be. But in the end, San Miguel will win in the double overtime. I think 107 to 104. End of regulation probably will be 85 all. So yun na yun. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. Follow us on Twitter at thebeerman.fantv. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, we still be the champions. I hope we can have live. Fear the beer, mate. Come on, beerman. We can win this. We're gonna do this. Inshallah. Bye.